Welcome to Live Mobile Technology. I'm Charles Tran, bringing you easy tech tips. Before we start, please be advised of the disclaimer and check the description below for full details. In this video, we'll be assembling the Brivo ACS6000 access control inside a large chassis. We'll start with a quick overview of the components, then move into a step-by-step walkthrough of the chassis mounting process. I'll be creating a full video series on assembling the ACS6000 access control with a large chassis. The series will be divided into parts, starting with a components overview, then mounting the chassis, installing the boards, wiring the power, connecting the CAN bus, and finally powering up. Each step will be covered in detail. The entire series will also be organized into a playlist on my channel. So let's begin with part 1, the components overview and chassis mounting process. Now let's unpack the components we'll be assembling and installing inside the large chassis. First out of the box is the ACS6000 mainboard. This is the brain of the entire system. It handles door access, processes user credentials, and links with the expansion boards. Everything starts here, making it the most critical component of the setup.
Here's the main board, comes with the standoffs, the antenna. Here's the main board. It also keep this.
Now this is very important. Inside your ACS6000 chassis, you'll need to attach the serial number label. This contains the product's unique identification. Make sure it's tape secured inside the chassis. This label is not just for identification, it's directly tied to the product warranty. Without it, Brivo support will not be able to assist you with replacements or warranty claims. Next, we have the 3 ACS6000 daughter boards. These boards expand the system's capacity, giving you additional inputs and outputs to manage more doors, readers, and devices. This unit comes with 2 backup batteries. They keep the Brivo ACS6000 running during power outages, ensuring your doors remain secure and system operations stay uninterrupted. Before mounting the main board and daughter boards onto the chassis, we'll start with the power supply board. This board delivers stable power to the ACS6000 system, ensuring the main controller, expansion boards, and connected devices all run reliably and without interruption. The ACS6000 power supply board acts as the power distribution point for the control panel. Its mounting standoffs are located on the upper left side, the door side of the chassis. You must install the power supply circuit board first. The power supply mounts to the 4 built-in standoffs in the chassis using the supplied screws. Now that the power supply board is secured to the chassis, we can move on to mounting the entire unit on the wall. Since this is a drywall surface, we'll first locate a wall stud using a stud finder. Once the stud is found, we'll secure a piece of plywood on top of the wall stud. This will give us a stronger mounting base. After that, we'll mark the drilling points, making sure the measurements and alignment are correct before mounting the ACS6000 large chassis in place. With the marking points set, we're ready to mount the chassis. Carefully align the chassis screw holes with the marks on the wall, then secure it in place using drywall screws. Make sure to use a level tool or balancer when mounting the chassis. This ensures the box is straight and properly aligned, which keeps the boards and wiring neat and prevents issues later on. And that's it. The ACS6000 large chassis has been successfully mounted. Coming up next on this series, Part 2, ACS6000 Access Control In-Depth Setup, where we'll cover installing the motherboards, daughter boards, and power wiring. I have a series of Brivo videos on my channel, so be sure to check out my playlist, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get updated as soon as my next video is uploaded.